Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open Layout and start by choosing a template and correct paper size so sheets print true to scale. You import the SKP file and immediately pick a scene to create a viewport. This links the model to the page. Once done, set document units and scale. This ensures dimensions will read accurately. Make sure title block and margins are placed now so you don't shift viewports later. This saves rework and keeps sheet organization consistent. You'll create and arrange viewports to show plan, elevation, and detail views. Use guides to align them precisely so dimensions match between sheets. Once a viewport is selected, choose Scale and Rendering Mode, Vector for crisp line work, Hybrid for textures, because each affects export quality and file size. When you update your SKP scene, update viewports to refresh content. This keeps annotations aligned. Also nest linked viewports for enlarged details, and use layers to toggle visibility without editing the model. You finalize sheets by adding dimensions, leaders, and a title block. These tell the how and why of the drawing for contractors. Once annotations are placed, review print settings, choose bleed and a PDF export at 100% to preserve scale, and confirm color profile and line weights. Before exporting, run a quick layer check and set viewports to the final rendering mode. Troubleshooting tip: if scale or lines print incorrectly, reopen export options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.